Phoebe, why you acting like that? I just want to see my kids.
Go get a job. You want to see your kids? I told you, you got to have a job. Back your ass up, mister.
Why you acting like that, baby? I'm a dad. Let me see my children.
You want me to go file puppy support? 'Cause I will. Now you told me that you was gonna be here. And that meant be here. Physically, mentally, spiritually, emotionally, and most of all, financially. And get a damn job and be a man.
Damn, Phoebe. You a cold piece, baby. I didn't know you was in labor when I was at the casino.
What?
I mean, damn, them some cute little bambinos. Yeah, that's it, bambinos. You mind if I take another step closer?
I most certainly do. Mind you some damn business.
Okay, well, I'm going to the store and get some milk. And I'll be back, though.
Yeah, make sure it's Walmart, Target, Winko's, Safeway, Fred Meyer. Some damn way you can fill out an application. 'Cause we got 7 babies over here, Rocky. 7. And they greedy and hungry. You hear me? Be a man. Take care of your responsibilities. Maybe I'll take you back.
Dad, can you help me? You gotta figure this one out on your own, son. You're gonna have to go to work and get a job and be a man. I've been there. It's not easy, it's tough, but you can do it. Good thing is, it's 2 of you and not 1. It's even harder for single parents, take it from me. Man, I want to see my kids.
You can see them from a distance.